Um, we're dumping here.
Yeah.
Are you trading any at open or no?
I don't know. I'm honestly about to go to the bathroom, so I may miss open.
Well, it's dumping. I don't know which way it's gonna go. I don't really have.
I'll be right back.
Okay. Honestly, I'll short. Oh shoot.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Target filled. Target filled.
Easy. Oh, fuck. Hmm. How? Oh my god. Uh. Hello, trade mate. I just blundered. In like a good way, but I still blundered. Huh. So when I trade evals, I just like you can scroll back to the fucking 2 minutes ago when market opened. I uh, I just go all in 10 contracts. And I just pick a direction and open because I don't care to pass Apex evals regularly because they're just 1 day to pass, and I don't really give a shit if I blow them. I just try to get the fundeds. Uh, at this point, like that I'm at now, because it's not worth it to trade fundeds. At the beginning, I didn't do that, but um, so I switched over to my Apex, or I switched over. Yeah, you do it with CPI exactly. 5 minis, yeah. So I just did 10 minis, and I switched over to because I have 17 Apex accounts and three my funded futures. So I still can get three more Apex, which is what I'm trying to get. So I bought like three evals yesterday because somebody had like a 90% off code. But I just went to trade one today at open, and I passed it, and I didn't realize I also traded one of my PAs that I just made $3,700 on. So yeah, that would ruin my consistency right there. I've never done that before. I like see people do it all the time. I'm like, what an idiot in that today. I did that. So I guess I'm the idiot. That's gonna take a while to fit that even out. That's why should I lose money? You think? The reason it happened is because my replicanto, like, so I switched this out because it was account 26. But when you put this in, it doesn't show up here. So when I switched it out, it like came back out and see how its green clicked, but I didn't see because I was scrolled up. So I just assumed that they were all off, but no, it obviously wasn't. So it copied just that one. Uh, what would my consistency rule have to be? How much am I at? $3,300. Divided by 0.3. Yeah, I'd have to get this to 11K. No fucking shot. I'm definitely losing money. I'm not fucking building that up to 11K. Does Apex go off of total amount you get in one day or trade for the rule? Does Apex go off total? It's one day. It's like end of day, I'm pretty sure. So, like, if I were to lose money, I think I'd be fine. I'm just gonna worry about it later. But I passed one of more Apex accounts, so that means I'll be trading 21 accounts tomorrow. So yeah, like you said, you can lose money. Would that eat your trailing also? No, your trailing stops at 50,100 on Apex, so mine was already stopped anyways. So it doesn't really matter. Like, that's when it comes static. It trails you from like 48 or whatever the fuck it is, like 47,500 or 48,000, whatever the drawdown is. And then as you make your way up, as soon as it gets to 50,100, it stops. So I should be fine. But man, what a rookie mistake. So now I gotta remember I'm trading account 27. I didn't see any Apex sell, or was it a one-off? It was like, I happened to click on someone's stream that I saw, and then they're like, "Oh, this guy's doing a 90% off cut," like, because Apex will do like, for certain like big streamers, they'll have like a 90% off like just for that day. They'll be like, "Oh, like a special today, if you guys use this." So then I just went over to his stream to check to see if it was true, and then yeah, he said it was 90% off. So I just went on Apex, typed it in to see if it was still working, and it was. But it's definitely down by now. Very nice, yeah. So I would at least wait for the 80. Like, 90's good, but they don't have it that often. 80 is still manageable. Anything like worse than 80, I would not. Oh man, I can't believe I just did that. I'd have to gain like, yeah, I'd have to get this account up like 5,000 more dollars. Did I get a payout in this account, or was I supposed to request one in this account today if I made money? Let's see.
Seems like a choppy opening. Did you trade your evals?
About that. I traded one and passed, but if you look, I don't know if you're on my stream, I accidentally copied one of my real accounts because, like, you know, in the replicato thing where you like,
Oh no.
So I just ripped a $3,700 trade in my in
Oh,
one
you
of my accounts.
profited?
So I gotta lose money in it because I'd have to get the account to like 11,000.
9,000.
It was like 11,000.
Oh my god.
So I'm at 56,000, and now I need to get it up like another 5K. Because you know when like you go on the Replicanto thing and like you take out the leader account, it like switches it back, but it's still like a green circle and a green triangle or whatever.
I don't know. I've always just had the same one.
Yeah, like if you switch it out, like this, like say, see this Apex. Or wait, are you on my screen?
Yeah, I've just turned it on.
See like the Apex 27 or whatever.
Yep.
Like if I switch this for like you can't see it in here right now because it's like the leader
Yep.
account, so it goes in. But then if you switch it out for 26, it pops up. I don't know why it's not clicked, but that's that's what happened, and it was clicked still. But I was up here, so I couldn't even see it because it was like down here, and I never scrolled down. I was like, oh, I already unclicked every single one of them. So then I fucking took it, and yeah.
Yikes. So kid made the bag on one of us.
Hey, I definitely just secured myself a payout in that one though. Lord, good Lord, I've never done that before. I feel like a retard.
It's just as bad as everybody else. Just
Yeah,
getting
I'm
lucky, getting
literally
failed.
0 day J in it right now.
Just getting failed.
Yeah,
Real
that would have
ugly.
sucked if I was like one trade away from a payout and then just blew my account.
Now you gotta lose money.
Yeah, but that's easier than making it.
Unless it just goes your way.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. I don't know if that's. We'll see. Who knows? Maybe I get denied from that account now. Even if I lose money, I don't know how it works.
Can't they deny you if you don't trade like the same size consistently?
Yeah, I don't know what they'll do here. Let's see if I. Because they are going to be like, dude, what is going on in that account? But who knows? Because, like, besides that, I am, like, the most fucking consistent trader on their fucking platform. Of, like, $400 one mini, like.
Yep.
God.
Big choppy. Low range from what we're sensing, so that's kind of nice.
Um, that was just low of day. It just went and took out. That was data. No, that wasn't data lows. I lied. We still got to take out data high. That's what Diego's gonna say in his video today. I was bearish or bullish bias because we swept the lows. We still have that data high up there. I bet you he says it. I bet you. We had equal highs up here, relative equal highs.
You add subtitles to live.
Bruno Kozan, good morning, brother. All good. Can you add subtitles to live stream after they end?
I don't even know if that's a thing.
Yeah, I don't know if that's a thing either.
I feel like when people add like subtitles to the videos, it's they edited it in. That'd be a ton of work.
Sounds like Dodgy D. Who sounds like Dodgy D? I don't even know who that is. But yeah, I'm not sure, Bruno. I don't think I can. I thought they like auto generated or something. Let's see if my Rise account got approved. I actually don't like this about Rise that like it just like keeps you signed in. It's crazy. I haven't signed in since like yesterday. Or yeah, I signed in yesterday at one point, but like you don't have to re-sign in. I just fucking open the website up, and then I'm just in my account already. I feel like anything with actual money, like even if you're going like your phone and you like fucking swipe out of the app on like TD Bank or something, you have to like sign back in immediately, which I like. No, it's still verifying. Relative highs and data highs, all that stuff. He's some ICT trader that I used to follow. Yeah, exactly. That's what they say. They're like relative equal highs up here. This data high needs to be taken out. We swept the liquidity of London low. Now we could push up after this sweep on this grab here. Enter in off this inverse value fair value gap on the order block. It's turtle souping right now. I could make it. I could fake being a ICT fucking guru. I know all the lingo.
Buzzwords.
Yep. And the 15-minute opening range has been put in. How are you using the first 15-minute range? You got the ICT jargon down? I do have the ICT jargon down. 15-minute range, I feel like I see a lot of people talk about it. Just like a breakout from it. Like, sometimes it's nice, like you see like a flag setting up like right at the 15-minute. It's just like for better confirmation, I guess. And it like helps you know that like, just like the visual is like, okay, we're like not chopping this morning, or like we're chopping because we're stuck in between this 15-minute opening range. It's just more of a visual. I don't do much with it. Same with like VWAP, which I didn't even have clicked on, but got it. Just for some added context. Yeah, like, exactly. It's like the same thing with like volume down here. I don't really care about volume. Every once in a while, like, there's just a huge spike, and I'm like, oh my god, that was the biggest spike we've seen since open, or whatever. Like, I don't fucking use it for anything. You watch Trader Tom? He trades 15-minute range breakout? Uh, no. Is that the guy who wrote the book? Is that like Tom Hugard? Isn't that like his YouTube name, Trader Tom? He wrote like The Best Loser Wins. Yeah. Yeah, I read that book, or most of it, because I fucking hate reading and I have the attention span of a fucking retard. So I didn't finish like the last like 50 pages or whatever. Everyone talks about like that book, like, oh, this book's so great. They always talk about like that one and like Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas. And I don't know, I was reading The Best Loser Wins and I'm like, dude, this is all nonsense. Like, I understand the concept, but I felt like he could have wrote it in 3 sentences and then he just repeated the same shit for the entire book. And I don't know if that's how all books are, because I never read, but it just felt like it was repetitive as shit. And then he just like go into some random context and like tangent and like story that would like relate back to the same topic he was already talking about. It'd be like fucking 20 pages. Like, obviously he's smart and he's a good trader, obviously, but it just seemed like common sense stuff that like you hear everybody say in trading. It's like, oh, don't let your winners be smaller than your losers. It's like, well, it's all risk management. Hey, it doesn't matter. You technically you can have a negative RR. You just have to win more. Like realistically, it doesn't matter. Yeah, he's quite eccentric. I'm too dumb. What's eccentric mean? Johnny, do you know what eccentric means?
Lives are
His lives are entertaining. I didn't even know or like I knew he had a YouTube. I didn't even know he streamed. Does he have a shit ton of people who watch him? You would think, because I know like everybody buys his book, but he does seem kind of boring.
unconventional.
What's that?
It's like being unconventional,
What is?
eccentric.
Oh, he's unconventional.
So
I don't know. He seems like the biggest fucking institution guy I've ever seen, or he's just like the way he talks is so like proper. It's like I worked at this bank. I don't know, in London, and I forget what it was. He goes lives most days and posts all his trades to Telegram. I gotcha. Does Telegram make anybody money, or do people literally just do it for no reason?
I think people pay to be on Telegram.
I feel like every Telegram I've heard of is free. I don't even know if you can charge to be in a Telegram. I know they like started doing ads, so I don't know if like the creator makes money off of ads. Because I remember Nick Sean was like, dude, why are there ads on my channel? Because I like added them in, and he's like, this is fucking stupid. I don't want any ads on my channel. His stuff's all free. Yeah. Is any Telegram paid for? TradeMate? Do you know, or? Then we're gonna rip higher. Look at that trap. Big old flag from like pre-market 924, touched again at 934, touched again at 939, touched again at 948. Not sure, man. I think it's all free. Yeah, that's what I thought. Oh god.
Jesus. That's trappy.
Size is definitely a little smaller today. Like volume. We're still down 2.78%. This would be a big deal, like a couple months ago. Like, Jesus Christ, we're down 2.8%. Now it's like, oh, another day at the office. Let's see. Might transfer over like some money and buy some more Ethereum today, since we're finally back down. Like we're below my 2,000 entry, and we're down 5%. It says since yesterday or something. which I don't know when it like takes it into account from, but I mean, cause yeah, we pushed all the way up to like 1,700 again. Now we're back down to 1,500. So, and we haven't even put a top hook in today, so we might end up putting one in. Which, we'll see. Is this yesterday's shit?
Red Sox play again today, right?
Yeah, they got like the earlier game. It's like 4:15 or 4:10 or something. Last game against the Jays. Hopefully, we can at least take one. It is crazy how many times, like, I know the EMA is meh, or, like, I don't know, it's just a fucking random indicator, but it's crazy how many times you can, like, look and see. It just comes down, like, touches it basically perfectly. Yeah, it's just on, like, Apple, and it comes down and, like, insta taps off of it, and then insta rejects. Pleasure. Oops. Does Willow bark or no?
Not really. Very rarely.
I gotcha. Got Lacey barking upstairs. She doesn't bark too often either, but she is right now. So if you make 2 art today, are you getting a payout?
Yeah, but see how it goes. Just gonna shoot for one.
Yep. Ooh. Is this the breakout or are we faking out of this 15-minute opening range? 10 o'clock right now. We already took out the lows from London. I could see this being a fake and we go higher. Sick. You think we're going lower? You got any level in mind? Maybe we go down, fill this fair value gap here. This daily fair value gap, as they call it. Huge void form on that 1 hour candle. What, you think we fill this whole thing? So 18,309 could be a reasonable level. 18,309. Yeah, it's like where the pivot is. Right around there too. Yeah. We'll see. I honestly hate to look at higher time frames. Just like makes you think you know where the market's gonna go, and then it doesn't fucking matter. Especially when you're aiming for 20 points. Take me out the club. Take me out the trap. 132. What's 18,132? I don't see what the level is there that you're seeing, but okay, sure. Just 50% retrace of that big range from yesterday. I gotcha. Oh no.
Yo.
No.
Ooh.
Oh no.
Oh no. Oh yes, dude. Oh yes.
So I got a flag built up, maybe. 739. 30 points.
You know I can't slow down. The boys are quiet this morning.
Fucking focusing. We got a flag building out right now, right?
How am I supposed to know? You didn't tell me.
We trade every morning.
Seems like my trade. Seems like you just sit here and support him, Johnny.
Wow.
What?
Johnny's just my liquidity.
Yeah. In your paper trading account.
Jack, I accidentally made $3,500 on one of my accounts this morning. And now I gotta lose money. Because I was trading an eval and I didn't realize I actually had one of my regular accounts in there with it. And now I violated the 30% consistency rule. So
Oh god.
It's pretty much.
I literally made $3,700 in 1 second. Which was actually less than yesterday, considering in 1 second I made 10 grand, but that was across all my accounts, not just one.
Is the Masters on already, Jack?
Oh my god, dude. What am I doing? I'm a shambles. Yeah, it is.
On the.
Watch lie, baby. Oh yeah, dude.
Did you get in on that or no?
Yeah.
That fill you?
Yeah. No, I got in a little bit lower. It just missed me.
Well, you got in late.
Well, it kind of shut down.
A lot of people haven't even teed off yet. I think there's only.
Is this like the one? Is this at like Augusta's or whatever? Augusta?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where is that?
1, 2, 3.
Georgia, I think.
Did that stop you out?
Yeah. I got in too late. Should have worked.
Where was your line?
It just like I got such a bad fill on that. Ugh, I don't know why I got such a bad. I got so late. Yeah, I didn't get in until like 25.
Until 25? 25?
Dude, that's what I'm saying. It filled me so down.
What
Like
was
it
you?
was
What
like
did you try to enter at?
I tried to enter at like, well, I wanted to enter before, but I tried to enter when it was at like 30, and it filled me at 25.
Jesus.
Oh, that was such a bad fill. So, it should have
What
worked.
up, boys? Chop City today. We're starting to get some quote-unquote displacement, as the kids say. You take anything at Tekkas or no? This comes in. No, not yet. Yeah. I could be looking for a short if this comes and sweeps out this guy here. But we'll see. It has it on ES or NQ, so I might miss it if it just comes down and pushes through right now, but that's okay. But maybe we still gotta put in a top wick here. We do look flaggy though. I'm looking to short 503. Oh lord. Oh, we're gonna go through it, but not getting bits out. Looking to short 5305. I gotcha. Hoping this pushes up and makes a top wick before it goes, but it don't look like it. And that's such a strong push down, I wouldn't get in here anyways. Candle closes, we rip down. Nope. Alright, there's still hope. Why ES and not NQ? Better RR or less risk or something? Less risk, I gotcha. That because I made a monumental blunder this morning. I went to trade one eval because I bought 3 yesterday because someone was having a 90% off. And well, this thing's gonna dump right here. It's really looking like it. But I accidentally traded one of my regular accounts with it too and made $3,700 in it. So now I gotta lose money. One count, wrong thingy. Yeah, well I gotta unclick all my accounts and then do it, so it's just gonna be a bit. You took that flag right there? Yeah, it looked decent. I just wanted a sweep here, but good trade. What price did you get in trade, mate? I feel like if I got in on the flag, I would have been stopped out. That bar got flipped. Oh, okay, yeah. So yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like pushed down and then, or pushed all the way up and then flipped. Yeah, it did look like it was gonna go. Literally just got a message in the Discord. You took that flag? Question mark. That's funny. I took it to passive.
Holy crap.
What?
Double eagle.
Really? Already?
Oh no, that was a while ago. Never mind. But that was a sick
Just-
shot.
Hey, what are you watching it on?
What am I watching it on?
Yeah.
The Masters website. Oh, Scotty's teeing off. Scotty, Justin Thomas. Dude, I have a fat bump on my leg. Hurts so bad.
Yellow fairway finder.
Baby girl, what you doing to me? Where does it say what price I got it at on Trade Only shows me TP price. Well, just take away 20 points, right? You said you only go for 20 points. Just subtract 20 points from the.
Dude, I feel like that guy's walking so close to him.
See, maybe if we push up here, take out at least this, maybe this, build out another flag, I'll get in. Just catching up on the 2-minute too. Or maybe we just rock off this EMA right here and keep projecting lower. We'll see. Told you I'm not good at math. My TP was 18,579 for entry at 99. Entry at 99. Wow, you got it late, huh? You got it all the way down here, 99.25, and then wrote it to 79 on that wick. Wow, you were really waiting for the confirm breakout. All right, it almost didn't get you.
$21. Dude, imagine being 21 years old playing with Justin Thomas and Scotty Scheffler. The Masters. Couldn't be me, dude.
Dude, I can't even play up a record with Jack Duggan. How am I supposed to play with Scotty?
Dude, that's crazy.
Are they playing or are they just showing him?
No, they're
Teeing up.
playing. They're playing right now.
Hey, if it works, it works. I mean, I guess
Why am I just
technically,
watching the driving range?
trade mate, if you went off
You're
of
probably
this,
on the range.
like if
Yeah.
it pushed
Yeah,
down and then
these are
pushed
good.
up and then closed and then started pushing down, I mean,
I'm on watch live.
even
Guys,
that I
oh,
think
Masters
would
on
have
the range.
gotten your 20
Yeah.
points, right? Yeah.
You were just watching featured groups?
If you got
Yeah.
a decent fill. So. Depends on where you draw it. Everyone sees it a little different. I'm hoping this traps right here, or pushes down, makes my second touch point, and then does this, pushes up, at least above these. Yeah, there we go. See, it's doing it.
What a wedge shot.
It's doing it right now.
No, dude. I don't know who this guy is, though.
Lee?
Yeah.
Alright. Never heard of
Could
him.
be interested here,
Dude, I think...
depending on.
Arcala.
Yes, didn't take it yet either.
I think, my boy Rory's gonna take it.
Dude, no shot. Roy's
Dude,
washed.
he's on a heater.
Dude, he's washed.
Let's see. I need to push up here. Come on.
Dude's literally buns.
Take out that eye.
Dude, he won the Players. What else did he win? Pebble Beach. World Tour.
I don't know if it's gonna give it to me. It's a decent flag, but I'm not taking it if it doesn't sweep at least that 670 level. Didn't do it on ES either. Even if it did it on ES, I would.
Oh, no, man, a ton of
It's
people.
gonna go without me.
Actually, that's a
It's
lot.
gonna go without me. She's taking off without me.
Bryson doesn't tee up to 123.
Oh, she's trying to bait me to go in right now.
12. Oh, it's a while.
If I don't get it, I don't get it. See, I wouldn't have gotten filled yet. I would have been in drawdown right there. Let's see what happens. Let's see if I would have got stopped out. Look at that. Would have been stopped out. It was the right move.
First eagle of the 89th. Joaquin Neiman.
Nice and patient.
Or eagle.
Oh,
Bird.
Birdie out of the gate.
let's see. Oh, that wick is looking nice. It's doing the same thing it did to you earlier, trade mate. It's fucking pushing up and making a wick. Oh. Stay patient. If I don't get it, I don't get it. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It wants me to get in. It's trying to bait me. That would have stopped me out as well. There we go. Follow the plan. Look at that. Look at that trap. Now if it came back down, I'd be interested. Did it take it on ES too? Yeah. Right off the 15-minute opening range again.
Oh, baby, Jihani. I just put a $500 deposit down so I can reserve a jet ski. 'Cause I have one
Wow.
left.
You're
So
buying a
I'm
jet ski?
Assembling it. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
What year?
2025.
Oh, you're going fucking brand new.
Brand new.
I tried to get the 2023 one that I wanted, but no one has it.
I feel like it failed me bad as well. To BH, I press enter and the bar pretty much closed. I gotcha. Yeah, it happens. Sometimes you just get a bad fill. How much is it, Jack, in total?
Probably like 11, I think.
Oh, really? It's 11 for a
Yeah.
brand new jet ski?
The Spark Tricks it is. All the other ones, like...
What is it? I don't know anything about jet skis.
It's like a Sea-Doo Spark Tricks.
I don't know what that means.
It's just a jet ski.
It's...
Like I don't know how it sucks, but it's just a jet ski.
Dude, Tech has got a jet ski.
Is it one of like the standing ones?
No.
You can't have
you
standing
can,
jet skis
You can
anymore.
do wheelies on it and stuff, but...
Bro, jet skis are so much fun. I love mud. I literally don't think I've ever ridden a jet ski before.
You can't have just a standing jet ski.
Why?
Illegal.
Where?
I think, like all around us.
Why?
I'm just saying it
I
is.
don't know.
My parents had 2 of them, and they had to get rid of it because it became illegal.
God,
like,
Johnny, you're
years
so
ago.
fucking rich, dude. You and your rich
Dude.
family.
What are you talking
Tekka's,
about?
Tekka's, this guy tries to claim he's independent.
Oh my god.
He owes his mommy fucking $8,000 for a car he lost due to fucking getting repoed. And now he's driving his mom's
That wasn't even
Beamer.
my fault.
He's driving. Yeah, it was. Guy left his
mean-
title in his car. But now he's
It's
driving
like,
his
you know,
mom's
like-
Beamer everywhere. And he's friggin' eating his mom's protein while living at home. He's trying to tell me he's independent. Oh, he's a Nepo baby? Exactly. You guys are grade A
Dude, this
bitch.
guy acts like the BMW is a nice car. It's a shitbox.
Yeah, sure. You don't know a shitbox until you get in my car, dude. I don't even know if I'm gonna make it to the gym, and that's only like 3 miles away.
Dude, they're like worth the same.
Yeah, great. Mine, no, it's not. I bought mine for 10, and then I put friggin' 80,000 miles on it, and it's been 5 years.
What model is it, Texas?
He's suckling from his mother's teat, asking for more milk
Yeah.
for his protein shake.
And this kid's like, Mom, please come to the doctors with me. I can't do it by myself.
Me? Yeah, right. I'm literally like, Ma, don't come. She didn't come for the last one. I told her she didn't need to. She came for the first one. She's like, I want to be there for the first infusion. Like, why? So I can sit there in a chair and we can stare at each other? My car is a shitty Equinox. Well, you guys gonna watch Last of Us Season 2 this weekend? Maybe Johnny, I've never seen it. Mom
I've watched
buys
season 1.
Mom buys my Apex accounts? Yeah, that's literally Johnny.
Jack spent fucking $500 in Fortnite skins on his mom's credit card.
No,
I
you
wanna hear
didn't.
Dude, I was a juvenile.
No, you didn't.
And it wasn't $500.
it. Dude, you had like 50 of those legendary skins that were
You're
$20
a
a
fucking
pop.
loser. I'm surrounded by white privilege. Jesus. Even though my mommy still does my laundry for me, but that's a different point. I didn't steal any of her money. I just take her time.
Yeah, literally. You can't even. This kid doesn't even know how to use a washing machine.
Yeah, it's for fucking women, dude. It says right on it, for women use only. My mom's dead. Jesus Christ. Sorry, Douglas. Well, she's not doing your laundry then. It's unfortunate.
No shit.
My girl does it exactly, Tekkas. This is exactly what I'm talking about. It's literally meant for women. I don't even think the machine works if you have fucking testosterone levels higher than 200, which clearly Johnny doesn't. So just filled in with another woman? Yeah, that's how you do it. Take me at the club, take me at the track. Take me off the market, take me off the map. Trying to hit the group chat and tell them it's up. Rap. Oh, try to backtest you, mum gay. Any trades today, try to backtest or no? Dude, you can say gay but not retarded? That's stupid.
So it's just filled in with another woman. Ugh.
That's what I do when Johnny's mother's out of town. I gotta find someone else.
I don't know why I laugh at that stuff.
I did the same thing yesterday. Johnny said something about my mom at the gym, and I fucking chuckled. And I'm like, damn it, dude, I'm an idiot. 2 L's? Damn. What were they? What'd you take them? Congrats on the 11K payout. Thank you, thank you. Oh my god, we are kind of flagging here. Johnny got a hot mom. Yeah, Johnny's mom is super hot, dude.
Dude, don't talk.
Rowdy
I'd say
Rhonda.
Bonnie.
Alright.
There's
I
a
didn't
reason
know
why
we were gonna
I
say
said
names
your
on the
name.
internet here. What are we doing? Come on. I didn't even say your mom's name. Jack did.
Oh, my bad, my bad.
Great. Just great.
There's
That's your
only one
stage
Bonnie
name.
in the
That's not a
planet.
real name. I swear. Honestly, I might fucking rip this. What did he say? That's a hot ass name. She got some honkers. Oh my fucking lord.
Yup.
I'm only here for his mom. Keep talking. Nearly done. Great. Great. You guys are the best. Oh Christ. What do people talk about? If you're not making fun of your friends' moms, what do you guys even talk about? I don't understand. Well, we're back into the 15-minute and we're ripping higher. It's a beefy flag setup.
The firmness of the greens.
The quickness of the greens. Am I working today, Tekis? No, I'm off.
He's working on his chipping game today, right?
Yeah.
Are you going golfing later?
Probably not.
What a coward.
Why are you?
Am I going golfing? No. I've made a vow that I'm not doing anything until I start making some money. The only thing I'll do is go out to eat because I like to eat.
What you do?
You don't like to eat?
You're obese eating. Daddy.
Really, Jack? Come on.
It's definitely push it back over 200.
No, I woke up, I was 199.1 or something.
Yeah.
But Sarah does want
Very
to go
good.
to the Texas Roadhouse tonight, so I don't know.
Oh god.
I know. I said I might have to fast all day if I go, or just have like like 2 protein shakes for like 300 or 400 calories. You just made 11K. Time to celebrate. I don't think 11K is enough to celebrate. And like I don't even see it. It just goes to a separate account just for trading that I'm not taking out. So. Damn. Alright, I gotta. Is that it? Do we go higher? I don't know. What the fuck was that? This bag over here. Redraw my lines.
sounds like me.
You're gonna try and lose on purpose and end up winning more? Is that what you said? Sounds like you, Jack?
Oh no, I was, I was like, he can get the ball speed up to 200 miles an hour.
No. I know. I don't know how that's gonna go, Tekkas. I think I saw something where you can like enter in on some other instrument. It's like some bond instrument. I forget what it's called. It's called like ZM or something like that. And the commissions are like $30 of like every time you enter or something like that with one contract. And it just like never moves for the most part, or it moves so slow that you can just like keep entering and leaving. But like ZW, I think it is. I don't want to click on it right now because I feel like it's gonna fuck it up. But I don't know. I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do. I gotta make like $800. That's, or I gotta get it down to like 800. So I gotta lose like $3,000 or 2.8K. If I don't get anything by 11, I'm gonna switch over and do that. And then I'll just take a request today on that account. And then probably get denied because I don't know, that's probably inconsistent. Let me log in your account. Should be easy for you. What do you mean, Trade Man? I feel like you've been winning like all week. I feel like you've been taking like 2 trades, one in your eval and one in your pay, or one in your funded. I feel like you've been hitting both trades. So why not take your 11K and put it in a live account, trading your own capital along with these accounts? What's the point? I mean, like, what is? I already have a 10K account. I just haven't touched it in months. I was like, that's when I was like doing swing trading still. So I haven't really touched it since I switched over to doing props, and that was in like July. I was thinking about dumping like 5K into the S&P. Yeah, you should have done that like 2 days ago and you would have been golden. I was saying the same thing. I'm just such a bitch. Like, you know what to do. It's like, I know, like, start like a portfolio and just start dollar cost averaging whenever it goes below. Like, you know the plan. Like, obviously it dumped like friggin' 20% in like 3 days and you're like, okay. Like, everybody, you know rich people are buying right now. Like, you know it's being bought up. But like I'm still just too much of a bitch to do it, and it's so boring. Like, you day trade, you're like, oh, I'm trying to make $3,000. Like, realistically, I spent $300 on my funded future accounts and 12x them in like a month. Like what, 300 to 3,600, which is like 12xing them in a month. And then like you put a bunch of money into like the S&P or like a bunch of money into the Nasdaq, and it's like, even if you bought it at the fucking dip and it's rocketed up, it's like, still, you made 20% on like 10 grand. That's not even like, I mean, great, like 2K. Like, it just doesn't even feel worth it. That's my problem. So I'm like, why am I going to lock up this money in here? And I know you can take loans out against it, but I don't know how to do it, like, which I should fucking learn to do at some point. That way you don't have to sell your assets and you just keep them in and take the loan off that. But I don't know. I'm just a bitch. I don't know what else to say. I've been on a streak, to be fair, 4 in a row now, I think, on the PA. Good shit. I still don't have enough knowledge on it. I mean, you know the market's going to go up, right? It's just like, Wait, like, are you talking about like the loan process, or are you talking about just buying the S&P or the Nasdaq in general, like in stock shares and like in that way? Like, what, I'm assuming you mean just like the loan aspect of it, right? But even if you don't have the knowledge, it's like the only way is to do it and figure it out. That's the thing. Yeah, the loans and shit. I'm the same way. Like, I think that's how it works. That's what like everybody seems to say, but nobody does it. You know what I mean? Except for rich people that you don't know. But the only way to do it is to find out. Like, the only way to find out is to do it. I mean, like, that's just how it works. Just, it's always scary when you're risking your own money, regardless. Like, that's I was just talking to Johnny about it or whatever, because when I went to switch my accounts, because I was on like my joint accounts with my parents and I could see all my shit, and I finally was like, all right, I'm gonna switch off into my own stuff, and I like started my own like, I opened up like another checkings just for my trading and stuff. So when I went to the bank, I did that, and then I had like just money in the bank sitting there, and then he's like, oh, you can put it into like a CD if you want. It's like a guaranteed like. You just lock in a percentage and you get it back, and like that just feels more safe to me, and like the peace of mind is good. So I'm like, okay, I made like 4%, put in like 30 grand of it. So it's like, I know I could have put it into the market, but I just put it into something that's gonna make me like 4 grand, and then or 4% in like 6 months or whatever it is, and then it unlocks. But like, it's probably not the right call. I can do a better stuff with it, but it's just like super safe. So, and not like, or at least it's better than like the interest in your savings account doing fucking 0.01% or whatever it is. Like, I have a Roth IRA, but the market moving like it is just seems smarter. Yeah, I mean, we already missed the dip. People are already back up to the friggin' 18,500s. We were just at like the 16,000s. You just have to play the long. I mean, the Roth is good though. Are you loading in like 7,000 a year or whatever the max is? The Roth is a safe bet. Everybody should make one. I say the same thing, but I don't have one either because I'm a pussy.
That's a nice shot.
Yeah, 7K. Yeah. Well, that's good at least. Like, you got something going. I don't know what we're doing here. We're right back in the middle of the 15-minute range. I don't think I'm going to be taking anything today, but we'll see. Maybe we have a late breakout to the upside. Don't trade today, sad life. Hey, that's a win. If you're not losing, you're winning. It's a rule. As long as you're following your rules. I was just saying that I was making a video for like my payouts yesterday. I haven't edited it yet, but I said that in there. I was just like, it doesn't seem like it sucks that day when you don't take the trade, but then like I look back on the month and I probably missed like 7 or 8 trading days, but it all led to me getting a payout because I stayed disciplined and didn't lose on those days that I didn't see a setup. I bet a lot of people wear shorts so the shit climbing to get them all. Yeah. I could see that.
Alan Morikawa is such a G.
The Chinese dude.
Yep.
How's my boy
Like-
Jordan Spieth doing?
Dude, it just started. He's not golfing. He sucks.
All right. Yeah. Wait, he's not golfing in the Masters?
Not yet.
Oh.
Some people don't tee off until like
Yeah, I know. But
3 o'clock.
how the fuck am I supposed to know?
I just remember the one time you bet on him, he went like +7.
Yeah, he did terrible. Well, no, that's not the one time. I bet on him twice. I made money on him the other time because he made like top 5 or something. That was like a couple years ago. Or top 10. I forget what I bet on for. It
That's
sucks in the
not a
moment,
good
but
shot.
honestly, by like one, I don't even think about it and move on with my day. Exactly. Like, Tekis, I was one day away from getting like the big payout or whatever, and I didn't take a trade for 3 days straight. I didn't trade that Thursday, that Friday, then I had to sit through the weekend, and then I didn't take a trade Monday either. And then I took the trade Tuesday, and then that was it. So it's like you feel like you're missing out, but in reality, you're not. You're doing the right thing. It just sucks too, because like everybody's strategy is different. So other people have setups that they're taking and they're winning, or obviously people are losing too. But you fucking don't look at that. You're like, oh, this guy won. I could have entered here and done the same thing or whatever.
Is
But
that Thomas, Jack?
20 points here if we break the trend line. So what you're going for, something like this, just an extension. You looking for a candle closure, or are you just fucking ripping it? Yeah, that's why I stay off my phone. Just delete your like. I'll go on Trading View. I just if there's nothing to trade, like, or if it's not 11, if it's past 11, I will not take a trade. So I don't have to worry about it. Like I'll go on later and be like, damn, shit's crazy, or like, oh, this is a good flag setup, and I'll just like draw my line and sit there and pretend. But I hope you didn't get trapped there, trade mate. I'm done for the day, but props would take it. Props would take if closes. So does that mean you're not done for the day? Oh, you're saying like you would take it if it closes? Or you would have taken it if you were still trading? Yeah, okay, I got you. My fault. What is this spotlight thing, Johnny? They're doing day 4 spotlight. Something about Apex. I keep getting emails about it every day.
I think there's a competition going on.
Oh. See if we get a close below this trade, mate. It looks like we're going to. That'll be my line. I don't know if that's what yours would be, but. And then I'll do the imaginary box if we close, or I'll do the box and just see. Oh. Alright, I'm in here.
My calves are tight.
I don't know why you get like you get sore quicker than me always.
Because I push myself harder.
No, I just get sore tomorrow. I'm always like 2 days after.
Yeah, it's called I forget what it's called. Late onset muscle soreness. That's what it is. No.
Nice.
Depending on where you got filled, it would have got you. But now it really looks like it would have. If you got on that candle close, yeah. Even if you're down here, you would have got filled. So easy, exactly. Honestly, we were due for a little consolidation day. I don't know if this counts as consolidation because we're down fucking 3%, but look a little bit choppier of a day. Let's take the 15-minute. Yeah. We were due for
I'd
that.
always be perfect,
172.
Mike.
You're 172.
Yep, flat.
I'm probably a little bit more now because I drank my whole iced coffee, but I haven't pooped, so. Let me see. Let me see if I'm still 199.1.
Trying to get down to 165.
I gained a pound exactly. I'm 200.1 right now.
Oh my god.
But
Kid's looking like Osa.
Jesus.
Me?
I'm at gridlock. I'm at gridlock.
Oh, I was gonna say Osa's
Ah,
not
no,
even.
It's not funny anymore.
Yeah, I was gonna say
I
Osa's
fucked
not
up.
even
That was
fucking
stupid.
fat.
That was stupid.
I fucked up. I'm at gridlock. Shit!
Shame on you.
Okay, Dokaibi.
Oh god.
Yeah, Jack's so OP gets banned every time.
Yeah, literally. They freaking nerfed me mid game. That's why I'm always at the bottom of the leaderboard.
Who's fattest here? Me. I'm 200.
By far. It's not even close.
You're 188.
If you base it off height, Mike's Mike, I'll give it to him. He's the tallest. But
Crushed it today,
yeah.
Mike, or what? FFs? No, I haven't taken a trade. I was looking here, but I wanted, I was looking at this break here, but I wanted this to come sweep this out first, so I didn't. And then same thing with this here. I didn't get in there, which is good, because I was looking for the sweep higher. So if this came back down after, I would have, but no, I haven't taken anything. I passed one eval today, and I actually traded a funded account with it, because I just ripped the
Did you
10
lose in the
contracts
other
that
one?
open. And, yeah, I ripped 10 contracts that open, so I actually had a PA with that, so now I have to sit there and lose.
have you done it yet or no?
No, I was waiting till 11. But, so now you can watch me sit there and lose, fucking $3 grand. Should be fun. But yeah, I got my 11K payout yesterday, or 3,600 2 days ago, and 7,500 yesterday. So silly you have to do that. Yeah, I've never made this mistake before. I'm a fucking dumbass, but it is a little silly. I mean, I could leave it, but then my consistency rule for 30% is crazy. Like, I gotta get to, this account's at 55, 56,000. I'd have to get to like 50, or like 61,000, I think. And that's not happening, especially when I trade with one contract for $400. But yeah, no trades. How'd you do today? Anything or no? Feel like the market's been a little choppy. Got 80 points. Damn. Pretty clean day. Good shit. What'd you take? 15-minute or break and retest? Nice. What is that? Here? Would you say 80 points? Was it this one here? Or was it the one after? Or wait. Did you have to sit in all of this? I don't know where you would have entered. I don't know if you wait for candle closures or something, or did you get it on like this doji or something? Is that it? like 10:10 or something, or did you get in earlier at like 10:06? I had like a double retest kinda. 7:05 candle. 7:05. Oh, your PST. So okay, 10:05. Okay. Oh, literally like to the fucking tick. Did you get in here? Were you? What are you trading 1-to-1s? Was it 80? Was it 80 tick stop as well? Or 80 point stop? Well, no, you must have gotten it higher than that, but. Not 40. 40 point stop. So a 2-to-1. So what you got in? Where's the 10:05 candle? Is this one? So what you got in? Somewhere here. $6.90s. You bought in at the top of the. How did you know it was going to retest? Like, how did you not know we were just going to blow through, or you were just that's just your strategy? You wait for the pullback to it and you just go. My strat. So like every time it rips into the zone and closes, then you get in or something. Oh, volume profile. Okay, okay. I don't really know what that is, but I've heard people use it. So. Oh, this might be a wrap for me on my actual or all my accounts, except for losing money now. I think that's all we're gonna do. I think we're switching. Yep, let's do it. Time to do some fucking degen shit. So let's make sure everything's unchecked. Let's see, 26. That's the only one I want, right? So let me double check that that's what. Yeah, PA 26. Okay. So let's switch here. So undo 27. Okay. PA 26. All right, let's lose some money. So what if I go 2 contracts? How much do I need to lose?
It's just a G.
I know. Oh, what's that?
Order filled.
That's not today,
Oh, it wasn't?
though. No, I think it was last year.
I thought it worked.
That's $800 if I lose. God, I gotta lose a lot. What did that close me on 1 contract? That's crazy.
Target filled.
Dude, this is gonna take forever. I'm scared. We're right at the lows. We're gonna break the lows, right? I don't want this to be. I hate this. I hate taking random trades. This is so unnatural.
Are you trying to lose the money right now?
Yeah, this sucks. I'm like skeeved out.
Order filled.
Oh, good check. Baby.
There we go. Reverse on me.
Target filled.
Oh, this is fucking retarded. I don't know. I'm like more a micromanager when I'm trying to lose. I don't know why. I'm panicking. I'm not used to doing this, so like it just feels wrong to be in the trade. All right, how much do I need to? I need to lose 2,200. God, that's so much. All right, let me go 3 contracts.
Did you hear the announcer, Johnny?
No.
To Justin Thomas. Well, Justin Thomas just hit it over the green.
Yeah.
Order
Yeah.
filled.
Well, that was horrendous.
This is so fucking stupid. I can't believe I'm doing this right now. Dude, please just go the other way. Why am I going with the trend? What am I doing? I hate this. Ugh. You're too good. Yeah, that's the problem here. I got the heebie-jeebies of being in the market when I'm not supposed to be. No.
It's just making me want to get out on the course, dude. Bet it's not 70 degrees.
I need that fucking Trump news scandal that fucking he delays tariffs even more.
That sounded chunky. Absolutely not.
We're on a choppy day, so hopefully I'm hoping we continue the chop and we stay in this range here.
Oh, it's gone, dude.
There we go. There we go. So I need to lose 2,200 bucks. No.
Johnny, are we going to 4 rows?
Bouncing off that fair value gap. So does that mean we're going higher?
Yeah, we can look into it. You can't book it yet.
Yeah, I know.
Looks like it's going lower.
Target filled.
Oh,
Okay,
damn,
let me buy.
Order filled.
There we go. Okay.
Target filled.
Dude, I'm making money. What are we doing? Oh my god, I'm higher than I have been. Tekis, you fucking liar.
Order filled.
It's a great trade, yeah, thanks. No way it goes that much higher.
Order filled. Order filled.
I can't be bothered.
Sounds like he's in shambles over there.
Yeah, I'm up
Yeah, he's
4,500 bucks right now. Dude, we're up 130 points. This is ridiculous.
What's the contract?
Dude, this is fucking terrible.
Order filled.
Rip for me.
I'm leading my team in goals and points.
Wow. Dude, you're up 5,000?
Dude, I can't lose.
Uh-oh.
Turn my chart upside down. Rip for me. Come on. Come on. Lock in some gains here.
Lock in some gains. Especially not just trading like 10 contracts.
Well, I don't want to lose. Like, I don't want it to. This is 4.
He's going like break even on a fucking trade that he's trying to lose on.
Oh, yeah. We're dragging our stops, baby.
Target filled.
Alright, good trade, good trade, good trade. We're back to where we started. Some gains. Alright. We gotta have some sort of reversal here, right?
No, this is content.
Order filled.
Oh, that's funny.
We gotta have some sort of pullback here.
Order filled.
Oh, yeah. Oh, my God, I'm reading the market.
What you down now? You can't see.
Stop filled.
Oh, yeah. We're doing good.
Are you trading multiple accounts?
No, I'm only trading one. I'm trading this guy.
You're just cycling through. You keep scrolling on.
Well, yeah, because I have like my unrealized P&L. All right, looks like we're gonna go higher.
Order
So-
filled.
Oh yeah.
Order filled. Order filled.
Actually, I don't think you can DCA. I think I'm fucking making it so I can't get a payout
Order
today.
filled.
Hold on. There's no way I'm getting a payout now. This is unfortunate. How much am I? I need to lose. All right, let me lose another like 1,000. I don't know which way it's gonna go. I'm like up 50K by the end of the day. If you're on Top Step, this would be great money. No. What are we thinking? Are we thinking up or down? Chat trade. Or like which way to lose money? Up or down? I think we're gonna continue going up, so
I
maybe
short.
sell. This is the pullback.
Order filled.
Don't forget to try adding subtitles in Portuguese at the end. I will try my best.
Portuguese?
Portuguese.
Is this the guy that's using Chat GPT to?
No, there's someone else. It's not a good candle. That's not a good candle. Best of luck off to the gym. Thank you, Linda. Have a fun lift as I win this trade.
Target filled.
Oh my god.
It's ruined this account.
Yeah.
Order filled.
Just keep reversing, you lose a lot from slippage. What, fucking $6 at a time? Dude, this is fucking crazy.
Target filled.
Oh my lord.
Order filled. I'm only in one con. Oh my lord. Order filled. Order filled.
come on. I did lose like 4,000.
Stop filled.
Oh yeah, there we go. That's a good one.
Oh.
Order filled.
That was a dart.
Too busy watching
Target
Vikings.
filled.
I keep forgetting every single time you get a fucking. So I need to lose like 2,000
With
more.
Scotty.
Order filled.
That was a dart and a half.
Stop filled.
There we go. Up 1,060. If I make 1,060, how much do I need to make in a day? Okay, I gotta lose a little bit more. It was like 200 bucks. So I actually gotta be careful here. So if I buy
Order filled.
no. No.
Stop filled.
Alright. I'm up 713. Perfect. Oh, that was an ordeal. There's no shot I gotta pay out in that account. They're definitely denying me.
I would request it though, so they.
Yeah, so it resets my days or whatever. Oh, man, I am sweating. That's how uncomfortable that made me feel. How do people go on tilt every day and do that? Oh, my God. That was more stressful than trading. Than regular trading. Yeah, I'll request 800 tonight and see if I get paid. All right, get me out of. Okay, I'll make sure it's all set tomorrow. But get me out of there. Alrighty, let me do my stake dollar and then I'm fucking out of here. Stake. Alright, get the 5 and then double up in blackjack. Here we go.
Dude, I got fucked yesterday, mate.
I don't even think it's getting fucked. It's just gambling. This is what happens.
No, I got fucked.
Here we go. $1. 12 on a 4. Here we go. Stand. 16. 20. Yeah, okay. Dude, they never bust. They never bust. I swear. Oh, if it was fucking losing at blackjack, I'd be a fucking pro. That would have been the easiest way to lose $5,000 in my entire life. You just get fucked. I always bust. They never bust. It's crazy. Oh, my lord. They have a bus card. 4, 12, 16, 20. Baloney. Let's see what this guy did. 80 cents into $371. Wow. What'd this guy do? $2.56 into 900 bucks. This guy, 256 into or is that the same one? Nothing crazy. Okay, that's it. That's all I got today. What a mess.
Trying to play some Siege.
Peace out, people.